Hello, welcome. Good morning once again. We are meeting. The last time that we met, we were able to look at the features or the overview of the NetBeans window. Okay. Today too, we are going to continue. Um, the last time we met, I said that we will move straight to the requirements of our project. Okay. I first want us to learn how to create a new Java project. Okay. Okay, so when we get to know how to create our own Java project, then we'll move straight to collecting the requirements in developing our new software, which is the school management system. Okay, so now let's move straight and go to our desktops and open our NetBeans. Okay, but before we go, let us look at the things that we are going to learn today. Okay, we'll first create, let's concentrate over here. Okay, we'll first create a Java application. Okay, we'll all learn how to create a Java application, and after that we'll move straight to the requirements of the software. Okay, the requirements of the software. Okay, then we'll get to know that the first requirement of any software is the security. Okay, before we move on to the stakeholders of the software. In this case, we are going to look at the direct stakeholders, which are the students and then the teachers. Okay. Then we get to learn some of the things that we are going to do when it comes to each of the direct stakeholders. Okay. To waste not much time, let's move on to our NetBeans and then create our new Java application. Learn how to create our new Java application. Okay. So on our desktop, okay, let us open the NetBeans shortcut. Okay, so we are opening the NetBeans. Okay, so we can choose to right click. Okay, right click and select open from the pop-up or drop down menu. Okay, or you can choose to double click on it. Okay, so in any other way, we are opening our NetBeans. Okay, hope you are all here. We are all here. Okay. Now, the last time that we met, I said that we are going to concentrate on one key option on the menu bar, which is the file menu. Okay, we are going to concentrate on the file menu. Okay, so when you want to create a new project, you have to first locate the file. Okay, there's the first toolbar on the menu bar. Okay, so you first select file. Okay, so you click on file. Just click on file. Look at everything. Okay, they are all nice. New file, blah 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 blah. We don't need them. We only need the new project. Okay, we need the new project. So you select new project. Okay, so as soon as you click on the new project, you are going to find a new project wizard. Okay, the new project wizard is going to be selected. Okay, we want to develop a new Java application. Okay, so for the categories, you select Java. Okay, and then for the projects, you select Java application. Okay, hope that's clear. Okay, then you click on next. Just click on next. Okay, now at the name and location over here, we are going to give the name of the project that you are going to develop. Okay, you can choose to give it any name, but most at times you have to give it names that are familiar with the environment. Okay, so let's say we are going to develop a school system, so you have to give it a nice school, school environment like name. Okay, hope this clear. So let's say I'm going to name this one as, let's say, school underscore software. Okay, please don't leave space. Okay, don't leave a space. Don't leave a space. If you want to be a programmer, you have to forget space. Okay, you have to forget space when it comes to names of your variables, names of your projects. Okay, either you write them joint or you just separate them with underscore. Okay, so in programming, your underscore becomes your space. Okay, so when you are done giving it the project's name, you just click on finish. Okay, at the bottom of the new application wizard, just click on finish. Okay, so it is creating our new project for us. So our new project has been created successfully. So when we come to our project pane, okay, you can see that our school software has been created, okay, or any other name that you used when you were creating the new project, okay. So now, automatically, defaultly, whenever you create a new application, a new Java application, it creates its own default, let's say, console class, okay. This is a console class, okay. You can use this class to develop console applications, okay. Later on, I will explain to you what console applications are, what graphical user applications are, and a lot more, okay. But in this our case, we are not going to develop console application. We're going to develop graphical user interface application, GUI interface application, okay. So we are not going to make any use of this console class, okay. So let us go to our project, okay. We want to open our project and then create what we need, okay, the graphical user interface application that we need. So we are not going to make any use of this, okay. So you can double click on the project, okay, or at the extreme left, okay, there is a box. Just click on that box, okay. So if you click and you unclick to open, okay, like that, or you can choose to double click, okay. Then when you open that project, you are going to find two key folders, okay, or packages, okay. We have the source packages and then the libraries, okay. For now, we are not going to make any good use of the libraries. When we get there, we're going to make good use of it. We want to make use of what the source packages, okay. So we can double click on the source packages to open it, or you do the same thing that we did to the main one, okay. So when you open the source package 2, it is having one hot package in it, okay. It is having one package in it, okay. So at that package, which carries the same name as what our project name, okay, you right click on it, okay, and then you select new, okay, new from the drop down menu, okay. Then new what? New JFrame form, okay, new JFrame form, okay. So just select new JFrame form. You just click on JFrame form, okay. Then you are going to have the new JFrame form wizard, okay. So the next thing that you need is to enter the name that you want to give to our JFrame form, okay. I prefer we keep it main window, okay. That's going to be our main window, okay. And after that, you click on what? Finish. Then our new JFrame form will be created, okay. So you can now see that we are having our design stage, our design interface, and then our source, okay, source where we are going to write all our codes, and our design stage where we are going to do our design, okay. We are having our tools over here, we are having the properties of the tools, okay. Then we are having a navigator, okay. If you are not having yours, let me know so that I can let you know how to get your navigator, okay. You know my email is already there, ernest@39@gmail.com. Any question, any recommendation, anything, just let me know and I'll improve. I'll send you the feedback. Okay, so for today, we've got to know how to create our new project, okay. We can rewind the video to watch it over and over again so that you will understand everything that we've done, okay. So the next time that we will meet, we are going to continue from where we ended, okay. We're going to continue from where we ended, okay. So don't worry about what I'm doing. You will get to know how to do it soon, okay. So the next time that we meet, I'll continue with the requirements of our project, okay. The requirements of our project. Okay, so see you next time soon. Bye.